Namaste, it's Yashik from CodeFactory and today we will learn about operators in Python. But before we start this video, it is a part of the series called Python Programming Tutorials. So subscribe if you want to get notified as soon as I upload a video, and please make sure that you understand it clearly. But if you stuck at any point, comment it down below. I will be happy to answer it. Now, let's begin with the answer. What exactly are operators? Operators are special symbols in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, multiplication, etc. Comparison operators are used to compare values. It returns either true or false according to the condition. Logical operators are the AND or NOT operators. Bitwise operators act on operands as if they were strings of binary digits. They operate bit by bit, hence by the name. But it is outside of scope of this video. Assignment operators are used in Python to assign values to variables. Var is equals to 1 is a simple assignment operator that assigns the value 10 to the right to the variable var on the left. There are various compound operators in the Python like var plus equals to 10 that adds to the variable and later assigns the same. It is equivalent to var is equals to var plus 10. Python language offers some special types of operators like the identity operator or the membership operator. Is and is not are the identity operators in Python. They are used to check if two variables are located on the same part of the memory. Two variables that are equal does not imply that they are identical. In and not in are the membership operators in Python. They are used to test whether a value or a variable is found in a sequence, string, list, tuple, set, or dictionary. In a dictionary, we can only test for presence of key, not the value. Thanks for watching. Any questions regarding this video, please comment down below. I will read and answer them ASAP. Subscribe for more awesome topics like this and share with your friends to make it more fun. Until the next video, take care.